Number 10. Airbus A340-500. The Airbus A340 is a long-range, 4-engine wide-body commercial passenger jet airline that was developed and produced by the European aerospace company Airbus. It has a length of 68 meters and wingspan of 63 meters. The top speed is around 913 kilometers per hour, and it has a range of 16,670 kilometers. Number 9. Airbus A350-900. The Airbus A350 is a family of long-range, twin-engine wide-body jet airline developed by European aerospace manufacturer Airbus. The A350 is the first Airbus aircraft with both fuselage and wing structure made primarily by carbon fiber reinformed polymer. It has a top speed of 950 km per hour and has a range of 15,000 km. Number 8. Boeing 777-300. The Boeing 777 is a long-range, wide-body twin-jet airline developed and manufactured by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. It is the world's largest twin jet and has a typical seating capacity of 314 to 396 passengers. It has a top speed of 945 km per hour and has a range of 11,165 km. Number 7. Antonov AN-22. The Antonov AN-22 is a heavy military transport aircraft designed by the Antonov Design Bureau in the Soviet Union, powered by 4 turboprop engines, each driving a pair of contra-rotating propellers. It has a top speed of 740 km per hour and has a range of 5,000 km. Number 6. Antonov AN-124. Antonov AN-124 is a strategic airlift quadjet. It was designed in the 1980s by the Antonov Design Bureau in the Ukraine SSR, then part of the Soviet Union USSR. It has a top speed of 865 km per hour and has a range of 5,200 km. Number 5. Airbus A340-600. The Airbus A340-600, designed to replace early generation Boeing 747 airlines. The A340-600 is capable of carrying 379 passengers in a 3-class cabin layout. It provides similar passenger capacity to a 747 but with 25% more cargo space. It has a speed of 914 km per hour and a range of 13,400 km. Number 4. Boeing 747-400. The Boeing 747-400 is equipped with a two-crew glass cockpit with dispenses with the need for a flight engineer, along with more fuel-efficient engines, an optional fuel tank in the horizontal stabilizer, and revised fuselage. It has a top speed of 1004 km per hour and range of 13,419 km. Number 3. Boeing 747-8i. The passenger version, named 747-8i, was formally launched on November 14, 2005 by Boeing. It can carry up to 467 passengers in a typical 3-class configuration. It has a speed of 956 km per hour and range of 15,000 km. Number 2. Airbus A380-800. The Airbus A380 is the world's largest passenger airliner, a wide-body aircraft manufactured by Airbus. Airbus studies started in 1988 and the project was announced in 1990 to challenge the dominance of the Boeing 747 in the long-haul market. It has a speed of 945 km per hour and range of 14,800 km. Number 1. Antonov AN225. The Antonov AN225 Maria is a strategic airlift cargo aircraft that was designed by the Antonov Design Bureau in the Ukrainian SSR within the Soviet Union during the 1980s. It has a top speed of 850 km per hour and range of 15,400 km.